Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous classes we have studied T0 space, T1 space and T2 space and solved many examples and proved some theorems on T0 space, T1 space and T2 space. Okay, now let me prove one more theorem, that is every T2 space is a T1 space but converse is not true. This theorem states that every T2 space is T1 space but every T1 space is not T2 space. Okay, let X tau be T2 space. Here we have to show that X tau is T1 space. Okay, let X and Y are the elements of X such that they are distinct elements, they are different. X and Y are not equal. This implies disjoint open sets G and H of tau such that X belongs to G, Y belongs to H, X does not belongs to H, Y does not belongs to G, and G intersection H equals pi. Okay, hence this is by the definition of T2 space. Hence, given X, Y are elements of X such that X and Y are not equal, this implies that there exist G and H of tau such that X belongs to G, Y does not belongs to G. Y belongs to H, X does not belongs to H. That is, given space is T1 space. This is by the definition of T1 space. Okay. Conversely, we prove this in two parts. If tau is a cofinite topology on an infinite set X, then X tau is a T1 space but not a T2 space. Okay. Let tau be a cofinite topology on X. To show that X tau is a T1 space, let X belongs to X, then singleton set X is a finite set, so that X intersection singleton set X is tau open set using definition of topology. Now let X and Y are the elements of X such that X not equal to Y. We take G equals X minus singleton set X and H equals X minus singleton set Y. Then G and H are open subsets of X. Also, X belongs to H, Y belongs to G. X does not belongs to G, Y does not belongs to H. That is, X tau is a T1 space. Okay, let G and H are members of tau. Then by the definition of cofinite topology, X minus G and X minus H are finite subsets of X. We know that there does not exist any pair of disjoint open set, but if G and H are disjoint open sets, so that their intersection is empty. Taking complement on both sides, G intersection H complement equals pi complement. Pi complement is X. This is by using distributive property, it becomes by using De Morgan's law, G complement union H complement. G complement can be written as X minus G union H complement is X minus H equals X. Finite union of finite set equals, this is finite union of two finite sets equals an infinite set. But this is impossible. Two finite union of finite set cannot be equal to infinite set. Hence, there does not exist any pair of disjoint open set. This implies X tau is not a Hausdorff space. Therefore, every T2 space is a T1 space but converse is not true. Next theorem, prove that a homomorphic image of T2 space is T2. Okay, let X tau and YU be two topological spaces. Let X tau be a T2 space, and here we have to show that YU is also a T2 space. It is given that X is T2 space and X and Y are not equal. This implies there exist open sets G and H such that X is a member of G, Y belongs to H, and X does not belongs to H, Y does not belongs to G, and G intersection H equals empty. Equality equation number 1. This is by the definition of T2 space. Okay, let Fx and Fy belongs to Y and Fx and Fy are not equal because mapping is 1 1. This implies there exists f of G and f of H such that f of x belongs to f of g and f of y belongs to f of h. F of x does not belongs to f of h, f of y does not belongs to f of g, and f of g intersection f of h equals f of g intersection h. G intersection h is pi, therefore this equals f of phi. F of phi is pi. This implies yu is T2 space. Next theorem, let X tau be a topological space and yu be a T2 space. Let F maps from X to Y be a 1-1 continuous mapping, then X is also a T2 space. Proof. Let X1 and X2 be any two distinct points of X. Since F is 1-1, X1 not equal to X2. This implies F of X1 not equal to F of X2. Let Y1 and Y2 belongs to Y. Y1 equals f of x1 and y2 equals f of x2. This can be written as x1 equals f inverse of y1, x2 equals f inverse of y2. Since y1 y2 belongs to y such that y1 and y2 are not equal, it is given that y is T2 space. This implies there exist open sets G and H such that y1 belongs to G, y2 belongs to H, and G intersection H equals pi. Since F is continuous, F inverse G and F inverse H are open. Now F inverse G intersection F inverse H equals F inverse of G intersection H. That is equals F inverse of pi. F inverse of pi is pi. And y1 belongs to G implies F inverse of y1 belongs to F inverse of G. F inverse of y1 nothing but x1. X1 belongs to f inverse of g. Similarly, y2 belongs to h implies f inverse of y2 belongs to f inverse of h. F inverse of y2 nothing but x2. X2 belongs to f inverse h. It is shown that every pair of disjoint points x1, x2 belongs to x. This implies there exists open set f inverse of g and f inverse of h such that x1 belongs to f inverse g and x2 belongs to f inverse h, and their intersection is empty. This implies given space is T2 space. Hence, x tau is a T2 space.